What's up? So I'll be streaming from the laptop today. So I only got one screen. I'm here traveling, man. We're gonna do like an hour stream. Just to keep it going, man. It's been a wonderful day, so let's just wrap it up with a live stream, so why not? Just gonna go ahead and close that out. Close that out. So I won't be able to see the chat because I only got my laptop with me today, so I won't be able to see the chat that often, but I can just keep flipping between them. So how's it going? I'm good, man. How are you doing? Okay, man. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam, brother. Keep holy. And bear with me, man. Bear with me, guys, because the microphone is just standing on the table, so it'll fall from time to time, but just bear with me. If you guys can hear me clearly, let me know. Let me make sure y'all can hear me. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me or not. You know what? Let me raise the voice. Is that? Would that do it? But I have to put in so let's go, man. Let's go. We don't have that much time, so just get straight to it. Daily. So it'll be like an hour stream max. So probably call it a day. Not call it a day. Just end the stream because probably will be like an hour. So what time is it now? Probably like 11. I'll close the stream. So far, looking at the daily, the current day, we're trading into a key level, which is previous daily high, and we're also trading within a gap. So what do you guys know? When we kind of trade a gap when we don't reverse, probably we're gonna form a high that's gonna reverse price. So now I just want to see if I see signs of reversal. I want to take shorts into current low of day. If not, and I see fair to manipulate, probably I'll go into current high of day or also this Wednesday's high. Super simple. Go on a 4 hour. Bear with me, guys, 1 sec. I'll bring a stand for my laptop because it's on the table and it's really disturbing me. So I'm not used to it like this. So let me set it up. Let me bring my phone here. Okay. Let's get this one sorted out. So just gonna put this one in. Okay. Laptop taken. Put it here now. Now we can manage to put the microphone a little bit to the front. Get the laptop rolling. Let me check everything is good. Y'all can hear me clearly? Let me check. Let me go back to the chat to make sure everything's good. Set up the mic. Come on. You got it. Alright, I think that's good. Live is buffering. Holy. Man, hotel's Wi-Fi, man. So, y'all just gotta bear with me. Is the stream breaking up? Is the stream breaking up? No, it's not. Look at that. It's not really breaking up, man. I don't know. Can you guys tell me if it's breaking up for y'all? Or is it just for Shan Laudi? Is the stream lagging or not? So let me know. And they're just gonna go ahead and play some music, man. Y'all can let me know in the comments. Okay. Looking at today's current daily candle, I really love how it's setting up, especially with the fact that we just traded into a gap. So we traded into previous daily high, which is that key level. And we caused this retracement. So now we're just putting it in a C2 within a gap. And we also have this CISD. So we have this sell low, we have this auto block, and within it we have this gap. So far, seems like price wants to go higher with that C2 closer. So let me see if we have a PSP or something here. And we do. Since this one is bullish, the next one is bearish. Holy. From the get-go. Two-stage PSP at the low of day, forming the low of day. And guys, I got some really good data that I'm gonna share with you guys that I've been coding for the past, I don't know, 2 days. Let me see if everything is good. Nice, good. All right. That I'm gonna share with you guys about this strategy. So later on, I will share it. But yeah, maybe on Discord I will share a portion of it so that you guys can see. Anyway, so far what do we have? Open high, but again, this is like more of an open low. Current high of day. We also traded into a gap and also key 11 and we failed to reverse. So now the target is going to be this current high of day and also that high. Because really looking at it, there's nothing really that will hold price from going up to that high. If this gap was going to reverse price, it will do it from here. Or maybe, are we going to build a high to then reverse from it? If that's the case, that would be my TP anyways. because there's a lot of room from here to here. So I need this 10 a.m. candle to close, and then I will decide whether or not I want to take it to the upside, or I can anticipate that this is more of a catalyst for a pullback, and then we can filter, manipulate, and continue lower. So again, we'll have to wait for 10 a.m. But so far, look at YM. Look at this, man. YM finally broke out of that range. We were trying to trade this range, holy. So now it seems like we just took out one side of the range. Look at YM also. It barely just traded above that previous daily high. Do we have any SMTs? We do. So we have SMTs at the left. This SMT here. We don't have this SMT here. But yeah, it just looks like NQ is weaker. Like NQ at that point was weaker. Because this one put in a higher high, this one a lower high. And now this one is showing strength switch. This is looking more of a. Now it's put it in a bullish candle. But let's see. Ideally, I want to see YM continue NQ going higher. Let me see ES. Yeah, ideally I want to see ES and NQ going higher. Like this is the area we'll do it from. If price wants to continue higher, this is the area we'll do it from, especially on NQ. I can also retest it this auto block slash this gap. So that's like more of like a breaker, if I'm correct. More of like a breaker. So kind of retesting a breaker here too. So with the C2 formation, also forming the low of day. So let me see the chat. Everything's working good? Okay. And don't forget, guys, to like the live stream. Look at that. We got 3 likes and we got 25 viewers. And I'm here on vacation, man. And I'm live streaming. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, man. So if you guys haven't hit the like already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let's you know what? Let's do something. F12. Go here. Press this one. Let's make it. This number should be 20. I know when we got 29 viewers. It's supposed to be 29, just like that. This is how it's supposed to be, guys. Like viewers, same as likes. Okay, but let me refresh this. Okay, so that you guys can let me see the real number now. 10 likes. Okay, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. Okay. All right, so far so good. So looking at this, as I said, looking at an hourly. So dropping down from the 4 hour to the hourly. This is looking beautiful, really good. So forming the low of day off the key level, EPSP. This is the 2-stage PSP. And the beautiful thing is we kind of trade above the high. So if price wants to reverse, it will do it from this high. Especially looking at this gap here. So what do I tell you guys? Just like literally everything happens again and again and again. We expand, we leave gaps. I don't know why my laptop is freezing up. Come on. Okay, we'll leave gaps. And we trade into gaps. Come on. We trade into the gap. We form a level and we either reverse directly or reverse off of the level. So that's the case also in ES. So if price fails to reverse here, we're going to the highs. But I don't know why my laptop is freezing up. May I know the reason? I'll go ahead and go to OBS. Go to OBS. Put this to starting soon. Come on. Put this to starting soon. Give me guys 1 second. Let me try to figure out what's going on with my laptop because it's freezing up heavily. I don't know why. It's really freezing. So let me go to taskbar, see what's going on in the background. So I can remove some stuff that I don't need. Just go to not taskbar, task manager. Come on. Come on, open that up. I'm gonna go to task manager. Let me see what's taking a lot of my memory. Nothing. What is going on? Why is it freezing up? Is it overheated because of this? Yeah, I think maybe it's overheated, man. That's a bit bad. I think y'all I think we're not live streaming today, man. Let me check. Yes, it's because it's oh my god, my laptop is holy. I just dropped the mic, man. Yeah, that's not a good beginning. Let me see. I might have to close the stream here, boys. I might have to close the stream. London session live stream. Nah, bro. London session is from like 3 p.m. I'm on the beach, bro. I don't want to trade. I just chill, man. Spotify. Chrome is taking like 2 gigs of RAM. What the fuck? Why? I just got the live stream in the background. What the hell? That's taking a lot of memory. Anyways, we going. As long as it doesn't freeze again, we good to go. Let's continue. So yeah, now it's just a matter of waiting. So it's just now it's just gotta wait patiently. And ideally, I want to take incurred. And again, I'll just be aware of the AQ of that range because there are a lot of levels. And also, we have this CISD. So gotta be a bit cautious right there. But what do we have on YM? Alright, so we do have this SMG too. We have another SMG here. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Gold. Gold, I'm sure there's nothing. There was a beautiful, beautiful setup in the morning. Let me tell you guys what it is. I woke up and I found it. I was gonna take it up, I was like, nah. It was 12 for me. It was 12, so 12 or 11 for New York. 11 p.m. Somewhere in here. It was just a 1 minute. Yeah, this setup. Just 1 minute setup. Yeah, you guys can go and check that out. Check the time. Go do your homework, man. This setup, take it to this high. You can also hold for that high or for what do we have? Needs to be pi. Look at that. That was gonna be perfect. I did I did just paper trade it, so it was a clean setup. Anyways, going to you guys can go ahead and check and maybe learn something there. So far, this current daily candle has a shallow opposing run, which traded above a key level, and we fell to reverse, which is a good sign. That shows that we're gonna continue that high. Go on a 6 hour. Let me see what's going on in the 6 hours. Still got 2 hours for the candle to close. 4 hour. Come on, 4 hour. They're the same, almost the same. Okay. So now we're confirming this order block with this candle now, and we have a relevant swing here. So ideally, I want to see if there's manipulate the high first. Like, I don't want to trade anticipating that we're just going to go beyond that level, because this is the key level. This is the current high of day, and we've been literally just ranging within this 1800 candles. So you really don't know like what's going to happen. Let me see what's going on with 1800. We also don't have any SMTs here, so that's going to be a bit tricky. I think we do with the lows. Yeah, no. Yeah, we do. Like with this low. But again, it doesn't really matter because we're so close to that current high of day. So ideally, let me go full screen. Ideally, like I want to see a setup after we take out that level. Now it's going to confirm that this high is the next target, because you never know if this high is going to be the target or not. So the ideal setup if we want to trade into the high is for like some sort of retracement back into the EQ. But if we do trade back into the EQ, that's more of a range. Probably if we go to like an hour or like 30 minutes or like 15, it will be just a range. So we go to M15. Yeah, it's just a range. So even if we do pull back now, like it's still trading within the range. So it's not really that clean. It's not that clean. So I'll just go ahead and stick to EQ, probably. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with NSCs, man. So let me see what is going on here. But my laptop is hella freezing up. Wow. So we have this gap that we're kind of trading from. Oh my days. I want to bring a fan or wait, why the air conditioner is not working? All right. My laptop is freezing up, man. It's really freezing up. I'm just going on with the chat. Streaming Discord? Nah, bro. I just want to keep like I'm streaming because of to keep the channel alive. I don't want to stream in the first place, so just like to keep the channel going. Let's continue. All right. Is the time. So now it's really clean if we do trade below this level and then we reverse. That's going to be that open low into a key level and then we're going to reverse. So now I think my laptop is going to be working good. So, all right. Let's see. So far so good. Ideal on HO, like we're just over again, same case on HO, we're just kind of ranging within this Friday's low and also that Friday's high. So I want to see on one side of the range to get taken out and then before deciding which side to take. CL looks good, especially with this CISD. This is more like, this is not a real NSMT, it's like more of a flatter swing. But still, not really good. HO, same. RB looks really clean. We just broke out of the range, so let me just go to the daily. I'm going to the daily again. Same case with NQ. Just traded above a key level. Seems like we're not reversing from it. The next relevant swing is here, but it's a little bit far away. So ideally, I want to go to like 4 hour to kind of see what we have here. But just have a gap. So probably like the EQ of the gap. Like the EQ of the gap to be a bit safe. Which already reacting from. Okay. So now the only thing I can do right now. So we have the C2. This is the C3. So I want to see price. Give me 1 sec. So for RB, if we want to take RB again is the cleanest. I just want to see price reacting off of the AQ of this range. Probably trading back, given that open low for mini swing, and then I would just target the current high of the day or use some sort of fib projection, just a little bit beyond the high. If I want to seek for expansions and then use the fib projections for my target. Other than that, yeah, I just love how NSCs are setting up. Let me see what's going on with the chat, man. All right. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We got 14 likes, so don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Let me see if the stream is working good. It's working good, okay. All right. Seems like we're getting what we want. Seems like I'm going to get an early setup here. Let me just go to check it at M5. Oh, the M5 looks really good. This M5 looks really good. And I'll just go with the low of 10 a.m. I wouldn't really go for that swing low. So that would be my TP. So going to 3 minute. Let me see what we'll get. That's going to be a really good setup, by the way. So let me just go ahead and log into my Twitter V. عطاني شي سقاطة على فكرة. Let me see what's going on. All right, so that would be the setup, by the way. That would be the setup that I would take to the high. So let me just get it sorted out. Limit is gonna be we'll have to go to MNQ, by the way. MNQ, where's MNQ? MNQ, please. MNQ. Come on. Create limit order. I'll go 4 contracts, buy limit. Come on. All right, now we're good to go. Now we can manage to put my TP there. Confirm. Thank you. Seems like price is just going without me, man. Seems like price is going without me. So let me just go to M5. I'll probably put the limit here and then put the stop here. So that will be the entry. That will be the stop. And then I will go for 1 or 2. It's a bit more than 1 or 2, but hopefully we can get the retracement. I think it's just price just wants to go. Or we can take the lagging asset, which is ES. So that will be another situation. But hopefully we can get the retracement, man. Yeah, I should have just hit it. But let's see. We're forming a gap, which is another good sign. So we can trade away from the gap. Let me see. Change the scene. We can't see you. What? Holy. Oh my days, man. Here's the screen, man. Here's the screen. I totally forgot. I'm having an alert on MNQ. I forgot to set it up. That's the issue of like having to live streaming from. That's the problem with live streaming from one screen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my limit here. Confirm. Yeah, I should have just zero market execution there, but now we're forming a gap, which is good. So it's gonna put it at the gap. Confirm. Hopefully we can get the retracement, man. Hopefully. Yeah, price actually just shot up. Yeah, I was gonna take out an NQ, but the risk was 1K. So at the last minute I was like, let me go to MNQ. So it took me time. I didn't realize that. Yeah, so I should have just hit it. You guys can see now, right? Yeah, I totally forgot, man. Y'all can see now. So I got 4 contracts going on MNQ. So let's see, man. If we're gonna get the retracement back, that would be really good. So kind of trading away from the low of day into the high of day, current high of day. So that's gonna be a really clean setup. Just look at that straight expansion at 10 a.m. So we just need this, like retrace back. That's gonna be so beautiful. So yeah. Let's see. All right, come on. Come on, you got it. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come a little bit low. A little bit lower. Come on. Let me see how much I'm risking, by the way. Is this 600 bucks? 684. 646. Come on, bro. Let me see ES. NQ. ES is kind of the stronger asset, so I might just go with ES here. We might take like him, but still also haven't traded back into the gap. So let me see if ES manages to trade back into the gap. If it does, then I might just go with ES. Create limit order. Alright, so just gonna go ahead and sit this one here. But let me see. I'm afraid I'm gonna get execute on both. So I'm just gonna go with hit it with a 1. Take that off. Okay, go ahead, take that off. Alright, now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a sell stop. Oh wait, let me take the MEQ order. Let me take that off. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to ES. Gonna put a sell stop here. Put this one here. That's gonna be, oh, that's less than ideal RR, but it's alright. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here. Sell limit, sell. So just took it from the gap. I should have just waited for the gap. So I saw the rejection. I was like, maybe we're just gonna get the rejection. So that's why I got an early entry there. Stops just at the body of the candle, and then TP right there. So let's see how much it's gonna be. 1.6. That's not ideal. That's alright. Above 1K. That's all what I need. So let's see. So that's gonna be it for today. So you know what? Let me just keep it visually appealing like this. All right. Now it's time for the chat. Change the scene. We cannot wait. London session stream. What a starting show. Change the screen. We can see. We chat the stream. Screen not showing. Okay, not screen not showing. Screen, bro. Bro, did you remove me? No, but did not remove anybody. How many years you are trading? Almost 6 years. There is no. What? Wait. Is there a limit on moderator for the time? I can add as moderator, and also you can add you as a moderator. But why? Why did? Is there a time limit for a moderator? Alright, let's see how this one plays out. So now I just gotta wait. Now there's nothing really I can do other than wait. So let me see. I think NQ is gonna retrace back to that gap, right? Not yes, NQ. I mean, I think yeah. So we just got the entry on NQ. So if we're setting your entry on NQ, you can just add some. Look at that. So now that's gonna be the trigger for reversal. So as soon as we get this one tapped on ES on NQ, If price wants to reverse, this is the time it will do it from. Like now. Look at the rejection from the gap. So also ES should go ahead and do so, especially taking the fact that ES is a stronger asset. And this one is a stronger asset too. So why did I execute on ES? Especially that I saw the fact that ES traded back into the gap. So I was like, maybe we'll see some sort of string switch there, and incurred just gonna go ahead and expand, going from weaker to now being stronger, especially with the sweep. So that's why I had to market execute on ES. Because the weaker asset should go back to the gap first, right? It's that same low. So that was like the same logic going there. So that's why I had to go market execution on ES. And look at that. That could have been like a perfect entry. That gap stops just at the body or just at the low of 10 a.m. You're literally trading away from the low of day, aligned with that 6 a.m. candle, and now we're just trading that whole 4-hour candle. Trying to go with the full expansion of that 4-hour candle, especially looking at the daily. We haven't really expanded that much to set room to expand higher. Yeah. Six on oh I have to get that. I want to deep trace. Mark, make me more. Yo, Gemini S long that from CI, is that from? Nice, man. You're from here, from somewhere in here? Guys, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, man. We still got how many likes? We got 55 viewers and 14 likes. Come on. We gotta take it to like 35 at least. Come on, man. Look at ES. Look at incurred, bro. Look at the beauty. This is absolute beauty. So we're going with 4 contracts. There's gonna be like a 1300 winner only. But let's check. Hopefully ES is just gonna go ahead and catch up and show us love too, just like ES, just like incurred. So I'll just go ahead and gonna be aware of that line. Again, you guys know what is this, so I don't have to. Yeah, let me see. Last week I could be targeting incurred. GxT I guess only. With GxT I guess only 2. No, not only 2 years. It's been like a year and a month, or like a year or something. So. But with market experience, it's a bit easier for me to catch everything. So I know it's trading supply and demand and like similar stuff, so it was a bit easier to catch. Oh wow, look. Hey, oh wow, they updated the mod. Now it looks a lot better. No, GxT. No. GxT now just showed up like a year ago, man. Just like a year ago. So. Look at incurred. We could have had 0 drawdown, man. Look at that beauty, man. It was an absolute beautiful trade. But again, we're still on ES, so I was just gonna go ahead and see. Let me see how much I'm up. Hopefully not jinx it. Okay, 250. That's good. Let's not jinx the trade. So let's let it do its thing. And now I think now it's 100% sure that I'm gonna close the stream at 11. So it's like got 45 minutes. So, yup. Let's go back. Robson, what's up? Bro, you removed me from moderator, bro. I swear I did not. I don't have to explain myself, but I did not. What was your study method to fully understand guided trading style and to become profitable? What was your study method to fully understand a lot of backtesting, a lot of journaling? And I'm the guy who creates series in my head, so whatever comes up to my mind about something, just go ahead and backtest it. Let me show you guys something. I'm going through. So now we'll see starting soon. So 1 sec. Let me show you guys something I'm working on. I will not show the code, but I will show you guys the results. So when will we break even? When I have another intra-candle change in state, or when we hit the yellow line. I think we did already hit the yellow line. Let me check. Yeah, we did. I'm going to break even right now. We did hit the yellow line, so we just did hit the yellow line. That's what I told you guys. I'm gonna manage right there. But the only issue, so let me show you laptop too. This yellow line, you guys know what it is. So now I just want to see price breaking out of this range. Or what I can do is put my stop at this low. So where's my stop? I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here. I'll just minimize my risk instead of going to break even, because this looks like a real clean opposing candle that price might still trade into, especially taking the fact that we just got an M15 candle closure. So price might kind of trace back into this order block. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that in mind. But if it was on NQ, let's just not look at NQ since I'm not there. So yeah, new opposing candle. Now just minimize my risk from $600 to what? create a limit order to 250, which is really good. So, and in my opinion, this is a really clean and validation level. So price just can go ahead and respect that level. So instead of going to break even, because I might just get taken out with a shallow retracement back to reach this order block, get taken out, go to break even, and then go to TP. So I don't want to be in that position. So I'll just go ahead and wait. So I got in here. Just go ahead and put like one stop take. All right, so let's see. That looks good so far. So looking good, looking good. The trip is gonna be paid, man. MNQ. Let me see MNQ. Let me see what MNQ is doing. It's looking good. It's looking good. But I love the fact that ES is the stronger asset, is the one that is expanding more. So that's really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep in mind that high too, because it looks a bit troublesome. It might be a bit troublesome. So, but I don't want to see an Eastern switch. So again, so far, this one is stronger. This one is the weaker. So far, so good. If I see a Eastern switch at the highs, especially at that key level, then I'm just gonna go ahead and manage my trade accordingly, because I don't want to lose. Like, I'm up probably $400 now, like 200, 320 or something. 400, yeah, exactly 400. So I don't want to lose from going from 400 up. Now I'm up $400 to down 250. So if I see a certain switch, I will just move my stops to break even. I manage aggressively. So let me see. What is this? Yeah, wait. Let me go from here, bro. Okay, I'll add you in, man. All right. I think I did. Okay, I did answer that. Why not NQ? I tried, man. I tried on NQ, but price did not go back. Then I come back to my entry. It was here, and ES was at that gap, so I just market executed. So NQ was going to be the play. But anyways, ES now looks like it's really playing out. So it was a good thing. It was a good thing. So yeah, just looking how far price retrace. I don't really want it to go back to all the way back to my entry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and still stop. Now I'm up. How much? $500. So I don't want to go from $500 to losing $600. So let me see where's 1 or 2. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it to the highs. I'm not really gonna partial anything. I'm not really gonna take out anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it there. So up $500. Let's see if we're gonna secure something here early in the day. That's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful 1K day. And I'll just go ahead and close the stream, man. That's gonna be a W stream, easy trade, beautiful Monday. A beautiful Monday to start the week. So SMT medic, it's more closer. Yeah, bro, this has to be the cleanest setup of the year. So yeah, it looks really clean, man. It was just straight expansion. These are the type of moves I want to get. So let's see if price is gonna manage to expand further. So let's see. Come on, ES. We'll still got a little bit. We're gonna close the stream early. Come on. I just wanna go chill, man. Oh, whoa. Did I press buy? Okay, I thought I pressed buy. All right, I don't want to see an insurance switch. If I see a insurance switch, I might just close. I'm just gonna keep it at a buck with you guys. All right, so far so good. There's no insurance switch. Let me see. All assets are. I think so. Then introduce one at an SMT fail. You got the hourly 2 stage. You don't really wait for when you got an hourly 2 stage, you don't have to wait for M15 lower time frame, and you don't have to wait for a SMT fail or like a 1 stage expansion. You don't really need it. You got the 2 stage at the low of day away from a key level, so that's all what you need. Especially taking in fact that we traded above previous daily high and we failed to manipulate. This is a failure to manipulate with me, especially with that 2 stage PSP at the low of day. So that's all what I need to see. I'm not really gonna look for M15 lower time frame. Like I'm not really gonna look for an M15 SMT fail. Come on, we got 60 viewers here and we got 25 likes. Look at that. We're up for 32 ticks. So at least we need 32 likes. So 11 more likes, man. 10 a.m. continuation. Yeah, exactly. So that's why I just trade 10 a.m. But hopefully, I'll just go ahead and expand higher. Come on, like again, this is a real key level. So let's see. If it's gonna manage to give us that 1K, or we're gonna close the session with like $0. Let's see. Again, now what I want to see is just like this gap holding. If price manages to retrace all the way back down, like the maximum amount of price to do is like this gap, max. That's why I'm putting my stop at break even. So, but hopefully, ES just gonna do this. Go, give me my sale limit. That's it. You can do whatever you want then. Let me go back. You know what? Let me try to do this. Let's do trading view. No. I like to put the chat here. Let's put it here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one. Now, just managed to put it like this. All right. Just gonna go ahead and see the chat now. Now that's looking good. Now we're managing this stream a lot better. So got something cool up here. You guys can see 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. I'll show you guys the result in a minute. Biday Jamila. Oh, of course. I took in Q close on ES on intraday high. I took in Q on close and takes up the intraday high. Depending on where you're entered. I took in 5 CL and 15. Took my stop and ran. 9:45. What happened after 9:45? 9:45 was somewhere in here. What did he do? I took NQ. Should I close on it? I took M15 C3L on NQ. Is it like 9:15 on NQ? Oh, on NQ. C3. This one? You were expecting now that price is gonna like once we trade above the key level, you don't want to enter, man. We traded above the we're so close to the key level, so you're just expecting that price is gonna expand. Now, looking at this range, like from high to low, while reacting off of a really key level within the AQ. So if price manages to fail to manipulate this high, yeah, 100% we're going to TP. Because like if price wants to reverse, this is the area we'll do it from. So let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get a W or an L there, or a break even. So, and that would be the only trade for me today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a session, man. I will. Once that trade is done, I will try to get it done. Bro, why didn't you leave school so you can be all? It doesn't take up that much for my time, man. So why not? Like, I don't subscribe to the theory that you don't have to study or to do something else. Like, you can do them both. Like, of course it does take time, but if you're at some point that you can do them both, then why not? Yeah, like, just try to. Because charts for me, like, look at the time. Now I'm in Thailand, so it's like 1 hour. Oh, what the hell is this? So, yep. So it's, I trade at night, so you get the whole day free, so. Let me see. All right, seems like I'm gonna get a break even there. Do you guys think it's a break even? Let me see. I gotta looking on my phone. Okay. Enjoy your vacation. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. Seems like this ES break even is not gonna make me enjoy, man, my second day here in Thailand. So come on, baby. All right. Beautiful break even after being up how much? I don't know how much I was up, but nonetheless. Come on, ES, do something. Hey. Let's see. Holy, looks like we're gonna get a break even. Yep, plus 6 is now we're gonna hit the alert. Stream. All right, go. All right, be fast. Let me see. We don't have any SMGs now. Come on, ES, come on. Hey, flip. Oh my, so we got a break even there. Yeah, it's a break even. How much I was up? Let me check. How much I was up? No, not this one. This car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go for a profit level. I was up. Let me check how much I was up. Oh, I was up 650. Holy. I was so close. I was so close to TP. Well, let's see. Okay, PSP. Come on. We're getting a PSP. Come on. That's good. NQ, take out the low without take it. Okay, now we gotta reverse. Now we gotta reverse. There's no business you gotta do here, man. Go up. Good. Go up. Go up. This is the way to go. Not this way. This is the way to go. NQ just traded below the low. So it's your turn to go up. So we got the SMT. Come on, give me the PSP, man. Give me that. Just two-stage SMT and reverse. Come on. Come on. Go up. Come on. Fast. Do you need the ICT logo again to turn? I think they need the ICT logo again. We need to put his face on the charts. Come on. I think we need them. Ah, bro, plus 6. Yeah, it's. Now we're gonna hit it. Let me prepare the file. Let's see. Hopefully I don't have to press it. Hopefully. Come on, man. Reverse. Come on. Like, that's why I wanted to put my stop here. Due to the fact that this is like an overblock that might cause price to trade higher. But now that I got NQ, we got that SMT. So this SMT should hold. Like, the minute NQ takes out that low, and it's the weaker asset. So now we're still getting that strength, like, as it's supposed to be. This is a stronger asset. You should put in the higher high. This is the weaker asset, so it's putting in a lower low. So, a higher low. I mean, and this one is putting in a lower low. So, come on. Once you put in that bullish candle, this one's gonna be bearish. We'll have a two-stage PSP. So we can go to the 3 second to the 5 second and get like a two-stage PSP setup. Again, think of this as the 4 hour, and then you can go 3 seconds like that. Come on, let's see. Seems like we're not hitting far already. We're not gonna tap in. Seems like. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Come on. W. Let's go. It's going hard. Come on. Keep pushing. That's good. No fight. We're still surviving. Up $400 again. So from being like up $20, from 600 to $20 to now 400. So that's gonna be 400, right? Yeah, 437. So we got the two-stage PSP. That was like the trigger for reversal. So come on. Now I need my 1K for real. Now I need my 1K. Yes, it's giving returns to be for real. Come on, we're breaking above highs. Come on. Beautiful. It's about to create a new high. So I'm just going up $600. Come on. Good. So we're not using that one so far. Beautiful. I might just go ahead and close once I'm up 1K. 637. Come on. Fast. Let's see the news. Let's see what's going on in the news. Black over now, delete Trump social media. It was a really good choice that we kind of traded ES. Look how far NQ is. So I just need now for price to confirm this opposing candle. And trust me, we'll go into that 1K. If we see a failure to CSD, I'll just close, man. I'd rather be up $500 or take a break even after being up $600. So let's see. Stick to the plan, bro. Don't, for real. Go ahead and close. Come on, we're gonna see new highs. If you see 700, look, here's the deal. If we see 700 before 520, so either 700 is a winner, 500 it's a loser. So let's see. Oh, whoa. Poly market. These are the type of gambles that you take on poly market. How many? What's the first number coming? So I think it's gonna be 700. Beautiful. All right, so let me just go ahead and not jinx it. Let me take it. Let me turn it into text. All right. Can we see the ups going up? The likes going up? So how many? 26 likes, and we got 67 viewers. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Can we get like 50 likes? 50? All right, so we just confirmed the opposing candle, which is a good thing. So now it's just a matter of time for price to push higher. So I believe this is going to be a winner. I believe it's going to be a winner. Well, hopefully. Hopefully. Let me go to the hourly, see what's going on. All right, clean expansion candle. Look, just expand a little bit more. Just expand a little bit more. Give me what I want. I'll just go ahead and leave you alone. Let me go through this chat. You work to show it. Yeah, I will. Yo, just دخلت stream. All right, I will. Is Thailand better from China? Depending on what you're looking for. Thailand is a lot better for vacation. China for anything else than vacation. What's the time in Thailand now? It's 2200. Look at that. Facebook. Who still uses Facebook? Wild. It was crazy, man. Look at that shit. It was like 4 ticks away from my stop. That's a beautiful. It's just the strange switch, so I can catch up. All right. I did not really pay attention to YM. Why? Because we had a PSP for our PSP. So that means the market is really decoupled, especially that price expanded heavily on ES and NQ, and it was expanding lower on YM. So I don't really be paying attention to YM in that case. So I would just be paying attention to ES and NQ. So it was a good choice that we went with ES now. Just look at that. I would have been up like what, 1 hour? Here almost it's almost ATP. So let's see. I should have used it earlier. Magnet. I think now come on. We're putting the magnet now? Israel flag. Be positive. Kamal give it was like, nah, this is time for FA. Nah. Now is the time for FA. For the sell limit, not for the sell stop. Certain switch, it's a game, boom. Boom. Our time frame gap fill expansion. Come on, 73, come on. Let's go. How much I'm up? Like if I'm up 1k now, I'm just gonna go ahead and close manually. Because I need it for the consistency roll. The minute I'm up 1k, I'm just gonna go ahead and close it. Come on. I wanna see 1k. I wanna see 1k before closing. Come on. And guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, man. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. 31 likes? Come on, man. Come on. 687, 1k. Close this. Or you know what? Close position. And we good to go. And we're up for the day 1k. And that was a beautiful day. Easy day. That was a beautiful, easy day, man. So, yep. Oh, now is the time for FA. Now. We're just gonna keep clicking it. So that was an easy W, man, for the day. That was an easy one. To be honest. That was a really, really clean one. It wasn't an easy one, bro. That's retracement. Thank God. I got filled here. If I was filled like somewhere in here, I would have got tagged out. That would have been so bad. So easy W. That was an easy 1k for today. So yep. The stream was just streamed for 50 minutes. So come on, if you haven't hit the thumbs up, man, go ahead and do so. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe because this is the type of trades we want to take every day. So yep. W. W in the chat. Let me go. What? Where's my market execution? Wait. Where's my closure? Wait, what happened? Why does it show that I only entered here and not closed? Wait, did I close order or not? Wait. I need to make sure, man. I need to make sure I secured my bag. I did. Okay. Beautiful. Just gonna go ahead and go to laptop. Beautiful. Bag secured. One sec, boys. Electricity ran out on the hotel for some reason, so one sec. Maybe they figured out I got this 1K win, so they just turned off the light. One sec. All right, we back. Let me see. Let me see how many likes we got. 34. Come on, man. Guys, 5 minutes and I'm be back. 5 minutes. Selfish. Selfish. All right, we back. Bro, the whole place got a problem. So let me check. Broken in profile. Okay. Let me see. Come on, 36 likes. Come on, man. Look at this W, man. Doesn't this W deserve like a million likes? Come on. You hurry. What said? You came late, man. You came late. Make sure no stop or left. Bro, this guy's a. Thank you, man. Thank you. WW. Okay, if you understand. You know, if I took the goal by today, Okay. Unlucky. I'm holding to high of day. Okay. I did already hold the current hive day, so that was like it. And of course I don't want to like pick the high, like one tick or two ticks below the high would be fine. But again, the minute I got to 1K, the other consistency trade, I'll just close the trade. I'm holding to hive day. I'm also holding perfect 10 a.m. Yep, exactly. Look at that perfect expansion. These are the type of trades, and this is what I'm collecting data on. I'll let you guys know in a minute. So I'll show you guys in a minute. If that was like a full TP, if that's like what your analysis says, then that's good. But like, again, remember, like 2R is a lot. So you don't have to, yeah. Like from 2R to -1, bro, that's like a 3R gap. So yes, nah, bro. You got an edge, so you gotta stick with it. So we'll see 40 likes and we'll close the stream. So come on, hit the thumbs up, man. Hit the thumbs up. If you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would really help the channel grow. So more and more W's come in. Like who would live stream, man, on vacation? Nobody. So which firm? Mine found the futures, bro. If there's only a failure swing, so we're gonna. Yep. So that's the current high of day, right? Yeah, that's the current high of day. So just gonna go ahead and take it. Oh, you mean failure? Nah, I always just for my caution, like 1 or 2 ticks just to be safe. Sometimes you like it comes so close to the high and then reverses. So I don't want this to be the case today. So I better be safe than sorry. We got 2 more legs to go. I think NQ is still gonna expand, and also would allow ES to probably expand to I think this gap, at least this gap. I think we will see. We still ES still got potential, especially now we're seeing a failure to manipulate. So it's still got a lot of room. That would allow NQ to kind of go to that high. So it'll give us time to go to that high. So I think this intercandle changing state would be the case. Just expanded gap, forming a gap. So just expanding. So yeah, but would I take it? No, of course not. So I haven't really checked. I'll check in after later on. I haven't really checked. But they haven't even sent me an email that I applied, so my TP is at the high. Okay. Like that's the type of shit I want to be in. I don't want to be like if I'm gonna take this high, like let's just go and do some math. Let's just go and do some math. Like if you really look at the high here, how far is it from my current TP? Wait, is the NRA working good? Okay, it's working good. But like the light went out and then the Wi-Fi is still on. I don't know why. So look, we got 3 ticks, right? How much 3 ticks? Like if I wanna take a winner, like that 3 ticks is gonna be what? For one contract. $37. Is it worth it? Waiting 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 minute like 12 minutes for $37? It's not really worth it. It's not really worth it. So for me, that's what I do. 1 point below the high to avoid stuff like this. If I'm gonna survive like 12 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes just to get like $37, it's not worth it. Because for that same amount of time, we got that expansion from almost 0 to 1K. So that's why. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope, man. I wish you good luck. But I think it's gonna hit it. We're seeing something bad here. We're having something bad here. If we get this changing state, if I were you, I'm not gonna say anything. You guys can do whatever. But yeah, for me, this is his strength switch. Look at that. Like the weaker asset now is turning stronger, and the stronger asset is now turning weaker, and now it's CISD. So that ain't the best. That ain't looking the best. So if you want to hold, you can hold. But yeah. Or that's gonna be that strength switch for NQ to catch up higher, whatever you want to see it. However you want to see it. So. Let's see. I really want to see what's gonna happen. Like, now I'm done for the day, but I really want to see what's gonna happen. Let's see which one is gonna see CISD first. If it matches CISD lower. If not, if now price wants to expand higher, this is the type of move I'm gonna get. Expansion mixed with consolidation, we need like one side of the range, which is the low to get taken out to then expand higher. So we need to this low to get taken out either with some sort of SMT or ES taken out then. Okay. So let me just go ahead and show you guys the result that I got. Now wait, let me go to starting soon. Let me show you guys the data that I was working on so that you guys can see what's going on there. I'm gonna go ahead and share some data with you guys, some really interesting data that you guys can use. But bro, the life is breaking up. This laptop is breaking up. My god. Yeah, because the light comes out and comes back in, so. Oh, it's unplugged. Come on, what's going on? Chrome is not responding. It's taking a lot of memory. All right, we back. That was good. Let me see the stream. Y'all can see me. Okay. You're in Bangkok right now? No, I'm in the island. Finally, a little push. Let me see. Okay, beautiful push. Not a later push. Now, these are the type of moves that are gonna get. Holy, look at NQ. Look at NQ. So it's gonna be 4 contracts, right? 1,300. Wow. But again, same. I could have just closed it at 1K. So beautiful push for that high. Now I'm sure you can hold to the next high. I think you can hold to the next high. So again, let me show you guys what's going on there. Let me just go to starting soon. Let me show you guys the code and the data that I got. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of the data. Let me guys show you something here. I'm just gonna go and do copy and paste. Do copy. I'll go to trading view. Now I'm just gonna go to laptop. Go to trading view. I'm gonna go paste here. So this is the data that I got. Like this is the first type of data. If I want to form the high of day, what candle forms it? Is it between 2 and 6, 6 and 10, 4 and 10? Like this is supposed to be 15 hours, so just bear in mind. So this is for NQ. Which candle forms the high of day that often? It seems like that 2 p.m. forms a lot of days, and also 10. So within these two, almost got 60%. We're gonna form the high of day. So if we don't have a established high of day, then you can use this such data to give you confidence that we're gonna expand through the highs. So this is just one of the data that I got. I got the low of day and also got other things that I'll show you guys later on when I get everything ready. And let me show you guys the Nikkichi curve that I got. I'm gonna go starting soon. Let me show you guys something here. So you guys will be surprised. Go lower, go lower. There's a lot of code, bro. There are tons of lines. Let me check. Where is the Nikkichi curve? Wait, I gotta rerun the code. Let me see. Let me rerun the code. Y'all can see? Y'all can see, right? Oh no, y'all can't. Okay. That was the data that I got. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do laptop. So I'm gonna take that off. And this was like there's a Nikkichi curve, but like this is P&L 17K total P&L. This was like from a I don't remember the type of account that I had. This is the type of dollar. I think it was a 100K account. So the average win is like 187 points. The average loss 60 points. So it's like a 1 in 3. So there are a lot of things that I was working on. So both. How many years? 2 years. 2 years of data. 2024 and 2025. So, yep. So I'm working on that data. Once I get it sorted out, I'll share it with you guys. So you can also have some insights on what's going on. So, and the beauty thing is, like, it gives the dates also. So, this day, this happened. This day, and I checked like 2 months already of data. It's good. So, I'm gonna go ahead and check the rest. But I'm planning gonna do it on my way back because I had a layover on a city. I had a layover, and that's when I had time to kind of check it. But now it's just no. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. If you haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. We're gonna wait for like 2 minutes and then close the stream. So if you haven't liked the live stream, if you haven't subscribed, you can go ahead and do so. So let me just go to studio. Let me see how many subs we got. 1,537. Okay, that's perfect. So by tomorrow, I think it's gonna maybe like 1,540. So within a week, hopefully we can manage to get like 1,600. So yup. I want to see the data you showed based on low of day. I will show you guys later on. Explain the trade. I will post a video, like explaining the trade. Maybe should I post it now? All right, I'll go ahead and post it now. Once I close the stream, I'll probably record it now and post it today. All right, so that's gonna be really it from me here. See you guys. Take care. Enjoy your Monday, and see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Take care. See you.